Okay, people, for the first time in many years, I love to take health products, but I don't like to take maybe cows. In fact, so many of them just do expire in my house. But LiveGood got me with their own products. So some of my favorite products in LiveGood is the protein shake, the super red. So these are some of my favorite products, and this energy drink. Wow, this energy drink is also, I also love it anyway. So basically, I'm going for protein shake. So this represents, sometimes when I don't have time to do my fruit juice or fruit smoothie, I just go for my, so this is what I'm going to be doing. I just shake this, I just mix this with water. So I mix this with water. So I go out with this daily. So I could, if I like, I wish I could use spoon, but most of the time I really not use spoon. I just do my shake. So what I'm going to do with this shake now is I'm going to add super red. I'm going to add super red. I'm going to add the super red. So this super red contains all the red fruits actually. So I'm going to add my super red. So I put this in my bag and go out with it. And I drink as much as I want when I go out. So I'm just going to shake this. And I'm going to put this in my bottle. So whenever maybe I feel like taking something, most time for my lunch, I'm trying to, they say eat fruits in the morning. I don't know. So I prefer to just take this out. So it's easy for me to take this out. So I'm just going to mix this with water and I'm set. So this is my protein shake. Actually, it's a very delicious drink. Actually, I've done 1 year before that I wanted to just take at home. So it also fills my tummy actually. It also fills my tummy. So I just put, it fills my tummy too. So I'm leaving this, all these contain all the vitamins you need for the day. So when you have your protein shake and your super red, that's the vitamins you need for the day. And the beautiful thing about LiveGood is you buy at members price. As a member, you buy at very highly discounted. Their products are highly discounted, you know. Product that other company will be selling for $100, because you are a member of LiveGood, you're getting it for maybe $26. Look at this, maybe $26 or $20 or $30. So so I love to mix super red in my food. So I just mix, I still prefer to, that's why I have these cups. Anyway, actually this cup for my baby's what I've taken over their cups, because it's just a good shake for my drink. Very wonderful shake for my drink. So this is very healthy and very yummy, very healthy. The protein shake helps you just, you know, it streams your muscle. The super red contains all the red fruits. So I like this. This is energy drink. This gives me energy for the day. And this is actually very helpful. At the time my hubby was not feeling fine, and the energy drink was just so super useful for us. It was super useful for us. So I'm going to use this now. So the energy drink, I just mix my energy drink. So I like the energy drink. It gives you the energy that you need, so you don't really get tired. So instead of going for the all the energy drink that I talk about, you know, the ones that has chemical. Now why I like these products that they are organic. They are super organic. So what I do with this is very nice. It's something I like. I like this drink very well. So what I love about this organic drink is it's not, doesn't have chemical. So what I do, I take this out as well. So I have 2 drinks that will keep me for the whole day until I come back in the evening. So you can actually, the beautiful thing about this is that when you make your order, LiveGood delivers to you in your house. So I'm not even part of the how you get the order in your house. It goes straight to your house. So all you need to do is to click the button below and make your own order. It comes straight to your house. You're getting this product at 80% discounted rate. So if you're like me, you're very busy, you don't have time to do smoothies some days, this has all the super red, okay? And we have the one that has all the, it has all the red fruit, and we have the one that has all the red greens, all the green fruits, the vegetables. You know, a lot of time we talk about vegetable smoothie, it has all the green fruit. So okay, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll show you how I use my super green. I'm going to talk about my super green. So see you in my next video.